welcome everyone to this class. In this class, we are going to see the Battle of Plassey. So, which coming under Unit 2, 8th Standard, 9th Standard reference course. So, here we are going to study how Battle of Plassey decisively fought between Suraj-ud-Dowla and British Robert Clive. Okay, this is very important political war in the history of India. From the 15th century, the European ships started sailing out to explore the globe with a dramatic impact on world history. So in 1497, a young Portuguese called Vasco da Gama, he left Lisbon. Lisbon is capital of Portuguese. The Portuguese, they were the pioneer in the field of sailing. Okay, and finally in 1498, he reached Kozhikode, where he got a lot of peppers. King Zamarin gave a warm welcome to him, and then all other European nations, they came to India and established their trading center in India. They wanted to maximize their profit, and also some European nations, they wanted to capture Indian places also. The rule of East India Company in India became effective after the conquest of Bengal. So the Battle of Plassey was very important to capture all over India by British. The main interest of company in India was territorial and commercial expansions. Establishment of political power by the East India Company. The first thing is the Battle of Plassey. So here we are going to see some characters. The first character is Alivardi Khan. So Alivardi Khan died in 1756. Suraj-ud-Dowla ascended the throne. Suraj-ud-Dowla was the grandson of Alivardi Khan. So the Battle of Plassey fought between British and Suraj-ud-Dowla. So the French group, the French allies, they joined together with Suraj-ud-Dowla. After the death of Alivardi Khan, the British taking advantage of new Nawab's weakness and his unpopularity, and they tried to capture the power. The Nawab captured their factory at Qasim Bazar. On 20th June 1756, William IV surrendered, but Robert Clive recovered Calcutta. So Suraj-ud-Dowla wanted to teach a lesson to Britishers. So he attacked the British people's places, and finally he attacked Fort William also. So in that time, there was an incident happened, that is the Black Hole tragedy, 1756. There was a small dungeon room in the Fort William in Calcutta, where troops of the Nawab of Bengal Suraj-ud-Dowla held 146 British prisoners of war for one night. Next day morning, when the door was opened, 123 of the prisoners found dead because of suffocation. This incident was unhuman thing happened because of Suraj-ud-Dowla. So the Britishers, they wanted to take revenge for this incident. On 19th February 1757, the Treaty of Alinagar was signed, whereby Suraj-ud-Dowla agreed to give all his claims. The British then captured Chandranagore. The Chandranagore belongs to French settlement. On March 1757, the Battle of Plassey took place between British East India Company and the Nawab of Bengal and his French alliance. This decisive battle fought between Suraj-ud-Dowla and Robert Clive. Robert Clive won this battle, and he took treasury of Bengal and used to strengthen its military force. This is the beginning of British to establish their political power in India. It was the most decisive battle that marked intimation of British rule in India for the next 2 centuries, next 200 years. This is the foundation battle which laid by the Britishers for next 200 years. When we see the results of the war, they got right to have free trade in Bengal, Bihar and Orissa. Received the place of 24 Parganas in Bengal. This is the Battle of Plassey. So in this battle, the British got a very strong position in India. It was the very important event in the history of India. In description box, you have questions, Google Forms. You just click the link and then you answer the questions about the Battle of Plassey. See you in the next class.